Hey y'all, this is Kina with SweetGemLife. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am unboxing another new sub. So, guys, we signed up for Cocoa Daisy. Do y'all know how long I've been trying to get in at Cocoa Daisy? And then when the signups open up, I completely forget or I miss it. And I finally got in. And I was able to snag the Peach Ridge kit, which I believe is the July kit. I'm probably incorrect. But, y'all, so Cocoa Daisy has several different subscription options for you, and I did get the full planner kit. It does come with the option of inserts or not. I did not use the inserts because I already have, you know, a system that works for me, but we're always here for the deco. So this is the Peach Ridge kit. As you can see, it's very whimsical, very pretty. It says the inspiration for this month's collection comes from Miranda, one of the crew that works at the Cocoa Daisy shop. Miranda loved the idea of a country feeling kit with an old blue pickup truck and peaches, and so did I. I think the sun-kissed colors of peaches paired with the warm blues of the old pickup truck create a collection that is warm, homey, and a little bit country. The perfect blend for an end of the summer collection. Turn on some country tunes, pack a picnic, and get ready for Peach Ridge. So, y'all, let's get into this, okay? I'm gonna grab this first because I see it first. And y'all know I love me some washi. And it's definitely different, y'all. I've never seen washi with a scalloped edge. Have you? Look at this. Super pretty. Oh my goodness. Do y'all see this washi? Love it, love it, love it. So that's our washi. We've got a pen here and it says Cocoa Daisy, making your daily schedule a little brighter. So let's get this open if we can. Goodness, I don't want to fight. Okay, y'all, this pen is super pretty. We've got just a little bit of crystals here. It is a twist. It's a ballpoint pen. Very pretty. We've got a daisy up there at the very top, and I believe this is a refill for the pen. 2 refills for the pen, so good to go, good to go. So this is this month's pen with the refills. We've got a little cute little peach clip. Y'all know how I feel about my bow clips. So there is the bow clip, super cute. We have, y'all look at this little peach sticky note. Sticky notes for days. There's gonna be sticky notes on everything. Oh my goodness, it's so tiny and so cute, y'all. We got us a sticky note. So there's our peach sticky notes. Next up, we have some die cuts. We've got some tabs. Y'all really have to take the time and look through all of the different options that Cocoa Daisy has. So we have the truck with the peaches die cut. Peaches. Let's put these tabs to the side. We'll go through those in a second. You've got more. Some hearts. Some checklists. Always here for checklists. Boom. Fresh picked peaches. Cute. Taste of summer. Got a basket. There's the blue pickup truck. Country life is the best life. We've got some peaches. And then we've got some arrows. Super cute. And then we have these fold over tabs. So you could literally, with a Cocoa Daisy subscription, set up an entire planner for the month and change up the look every month. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tabs. We have the yellow gingham print. We've got peaches. Is it adhesive is a good question. Yes, it sure is. Boom, a whole planner spread, a whole new planner. We've got this stripe. We have these florals. We have another floral print, and we have another floral print. So guys, we got 6 tabs and so many die cuts. What could you not do? What couldn't you do is more along the question. Plenty. Uh-oh. Okay. Safe. Y'all, now we get into the main planner kit. So we've got stickers. And like I said, I have the planner kit subscription. There are other kits where you could just buy the stickers or just buy the accessories like the pen and stuff. So we have another tab here. We've got some circles, some headers, doctor appointment, dentist appointment, veterinarian. Excuse me, this is the August kit. I did say this is July kit. It's not the July kit, it's the August kit. We have our month here. Days of the month, days of the month here, date covers here, so you could set up your monthly spread. We've got our days of the week here, notes, some quarter boxes, hello August, trackers, daily to-do list, challenges, self-care journal. We've got laundry, trash, cleaning, crock pot, shopping, payday, exercise, recycle, Chinese food. Ooh, I want some Chinese food. And some coffee cups. And down here at the bottom, it tells you some of the holidays for the month. Well, not holidays, but the first is Friendship Day. The second is a civic holiday. I'm assuming that's Canadian. The 8th is International Cat Day. Pass. The 26th is National Dog Day. The 26th is Women's Equality Day. So yes, these are probably going to be Canadian holidays, as it does say made in Canada. Then we've got some letters up here. We've got some more date covers, and we've got boxes and flags. And then we have a deco sheet. Pretty much everything that we saw in the die cuts in sticker form. So next we've got our papers. Very thick cardstock. And it's sized for you to use it, okay? Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that. So again, with this entire kit being set up, being created for you to get a new planner pretty much every month, you could use these for dividers and mix and match them with the tabs. Y'all, those peaches are super vibrant. Look at that. And then we have that yellow gingham print with your stripes on the back. So if you cut these, I'm pretty sure they'll fit A5. They probably will not fit Classic Happy Planner unless you used it this way, and then you'd have a fold in the middle of your page. But you could most certainly use this for A5, even half letter and smaller, and get you 6 dashboards. Dividers, however, you got to work it out. So in this little thing, we have a pen test sheet and a stamping ink test sheet. I didn't get any stamps. Were stamps supposed to come in this kit? I did not. So we have a notepad. This is interesting. I've never seen anything like this in terms of the 3 sections. Very cute. And next we have a pouch, and it says, I love planners, pencils, Sharpies, to-do lists, and anything that gives me the illusion that I'm getting my life together. I know that's right. The illusion is all that matters, okay? So, as you can see, this is a recycled material. It does have the Cocoa Daisy logo here. And it's just a decent sized little pouch. Toss your pens and your Sharpies and your pencils and everything else in here and stick it in your planner bag. Take it with you. So guys, here is the August 2021 Cocoa Daisy subscription kit titled Peach Ridge. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.